Mag-install kami ng motherboard sa aircon. Yung repair ko na motherboard, itatry namin kung mag-function ba.
Function. Function yan. Function yan eh.
Ito yung aircon guys. Wala tong power. Sira ang motherboard.
Anong sira po? Anong sira po nila po? Bakit ito tinanggal eh? Wala namang labo to. Blagadag. Hello Blagadag. Welcome to my guys. And for today's video,
Okay.
I would like to introduce
Connect
myself.
the source. Okay, turn on the breaker part. Para masubukan kung
Subok ko.
may tuyo ba.
Nasubukan mo na.
Ito turn on ang breaker guys. Oh! Turn on na guys. Okay. Turn on. Very good. Umilaw na guys. Yung board na ni-repair ko. Very good. Good job. Ito turn on part. Testingan. Pion ba? Okay. Turn on na guys. Good job. Good job part. Good job.